Can I get in this club?
Oh, what's your name?
Rhonda Oliver.
Name's not on the list, but you look pretty cool. Go ahead.
Hey man, heard your club was pretty good. Like to get in.
Pretty good club. What's your name?
My name's Butch Conway.
Butch Conway.
Yes, sir.
Butch Conway. Your name is not on the list.
Will?
Yeah, you don't even look cool. You got any Skittles or anything?
No, man, I don't.
Fuck out of here, then.
Hey. You haven't been doing your job right, so I'm replacing you.
With this little short shit?
Yeah, you haven't been doing your job. This is strictly business, not personal. This is one of them.
All right, whatever. Bullshit. You can take your fucking shit.
All right. Where you going? Back to the club. Where the hell you think you're fucking going? Get the fuck out of my club! Yeah, just put them shades on, do your job right, be a great bouncer, and you won't have to deal with bullshit like that. Okay.
Got the shit.
All right, good.
Can I help you?
May I get into the club?
What's your name?
My name is Mike Hunt.
Yep, got the list going in.
Awesome.
Doctor, please come here quick. My big brother is awfully sick.
What's up? Wing Will?
He's got a froggy down in his throat. It's true, I heard it.
Going in.
He can't sing anything but no.
What's your name?
John Smith.
You're right there. Go in.
Hey, can I get in here?
What's your name?
Grubs?
Yeah, you're not on the list.
Hey, you're doing a great job, so I'm gonna give you a raise, all right? What the fuck are you doing here?
I just want my job back, dude.
That felt good. That
That
felt
earns
really
a bonus,
fucking
hey,
good.
right here. That earns a bonus. How's
off
that
the
feel,
property.
Bob? How's that feel?
Come in now.
What's up, son?
Ah, shit.
You're still not on the list. Go after him. Get him!
Is anybody up there? I'm really sorry. Hello down there. I can hear you crying. The fuck do you want?
I like skin. Can I see your skin? I'll let you out of the hole.
Can I at least have a hat?
Pinky swear?